Hey all, MJ here. Welcome to my channel, and no coffee right now because we don't get coffee unless our cookies turn out. Right, Wyatt? So when I bake, I never follow instructions. I also really like to muck around with recipes because then if it does turn out, I will put my own stamp on it. So that is what I am doing today. The original inspiration recipe, I'll post a link in the description below. In the event my modified recipe turns out, I will post the ingredients in the description below. If it's an absolute disaster, which it really could be, and it's happened more than once, then I won't, we won't put those ingredients down below. So I'm substituting flax eggs for real eggs. I'm also using soy-free vegan butter because Wyatt is allergic to milk and soy. Not that he's going to be eating the cookies, but if I eat them and they've got milk and soy, they cause problems for him. So we're going to try and go vegan. You put the sugar in. Help mommy. Put the sugar in. There's the sugar. Hey. And there's the softened vegan butter. Doesn't that look yummy? Hey? I didn't mention it, but I also really like recipes that only use one bowl. When you cream butter and sugar together, there's just something about it that's one extra step that I just don't feel like doing. So, especially with a baby, using a beater, things like that, not interested. So, one bowl it is. Here's our flax egg. It's either going to be a success or a failure of a flax egg. Oh, the other thing I did with this recipe, if we can call it that, is cut down the amount of sugar that it needs. Hey, you help Mom mix? Mix, mix, mix. That looks awesome, doesn't it? Next step, add our flour, all-purpose. The next time I try and mess up this recipe, I think I'm going to try whole wheat. See what that does. Doesn't that sound fun? So we add our all-purpose flour, we mix that in, and then adding cream of tartar and baking soda. I am not adding salt to this recipe because my vegan butter is already salted. Yeah, we get that bowl. You hold that bowl for Mom. And because it's already salted, there's no need to add more salt. How about you need your own wooden spoon? There you go. Here's your wooden spoon. You get a wooden spoon too. I'm the only one eating these cookies, so I'm going to use my hands because it's just easier to get the dough together. Wyatt's going to continue to use his spoon. When your dough comes together, kind of looks like that, like Play-Doh-y, like I said. You can get your pan ready. I like to use wax paper. Move that wax paper down. The thing that makes Snickerdoodles so great, I don't even know if I told you we're making Snickerdoodles, but we're making Snickerdoodles, and one of the things that makes them so great is cinnamon and sugar. They're rolled in cinnamon and sugar right before you bake them. So once your dough is done, form it into kind of 1 to 2 inch balls, roll them into some cinnamon and sugar, and then I like to slightly flatten them a little bit, and then throw them in the oven. Bake them 400 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Wyatt cookie cam. Hey, Wyatt cookie cam. Hey, Wyatt's making cookies. It's been about 10 minutes and I've rolled 4 cookies. We playing hockey? Hockey! Hockey! Pro tip, while your baby is playing hockey on the floor with pots, pre-roll all the dough, throw all the sugar and cinnamon in there so that they're ready to place on the cookie sheet. Well, buddy, what do you think? Make those again? We make those again? Yeah? They're definitely coffee worthy.